Exercise 8.3, question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So we know the identities. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So cosec square means 1 by sin. Cosec means 1 by sin. So this we can rewrite as 1 by sin square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Now we have to find sin A in terms of cot. Already here cot term is there. So take the reciprocal on both sides. When we are taking the reciprocal, this will come as sin square A. Sin square A by 1, that means sin square A is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. Now we have to write sin A, not sin square A. So we can write from that. Sin A means square root of the right side term. Square root of 1 is 1 itself. So we can write 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. So now we got, when we are taking the square root, we can put plus or minus sign also. So now we are getting sin A in terms of cot. Now next sec. For that we can use this identity. Sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, which is equal to 1 plus tan we can write as 1 by cot. So 1 by cot square A. Take cot square A as the denominator. So it will come cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A, which we can write as 1 plus cot, just to change the terms if you want, 1 plus cot square A by cot square A. What is that? Sec square A is equal to that. That means sec A is equal to root of that. Root of 1 plus cot square A, and the denominator when we are taking the root, it will become cot A. So we can write root of 1 plus cot square A divided by root of cot square A is same as cot A. Now we got sec A in terms of cot. Now the third part, that is tan A. Tan A, we know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So all the three terms in terms of cot. Sin A we can write as 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. Sec A as root of 1 plus cot square A by cot A, and tan A as 1 by cot A. Question number 2. Write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. We know that sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, which implies, take the reciprocal. So cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. When we are taking the reciprocal, cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. So cos A, we got that in terms of sec A. Then use the first identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, which means sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So here to get sin A, first sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. That means 1 minus cos A is 1 by sec A. So cos square A is 1 by sec square A. Take sec square A as the denominator. So sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. That is sin square A. So we can write from that sin A is equal to root of that. Sin A is equal to root of that. But when we are taking the root of the denominator, square and root will cancel, then ck we will get. So keep the root sign the numerator only. So root of sec square A minus 1 divided by ck. Now we got sin also. Then next tan. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Here sin A is sec square A minus 1 root of by ck. The whole thing divided by cos A means 1 by ck. This we can rewrite sec square A minus 1 by ck and take the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. So ck by 1. So this can cancel, which is equal to sec square A minus 1. So tan A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Once more we will write tan A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Now here the root sign is there. So root of sec square A minus 1, which is equal to root of sec square A minus 1. That means tan A is equal to root of sec square A minus 1. If we know tan A, then we can write cot A. Cot A means 1 by tan A. So the reciprocal of that 1 by root of sec square A minus 1. Then cosec A. Cosec means 1 by sin A. We know that sin A already we got. So cosec means 1 by sin A. Take the reciprocal. Sec A by root of sec square A minus 1. So all the values here we got. In terms of ck. First one cos A we wrote that in terms of ck. Cos A is equal to 1 by ck. Sin A here. Sin A is equal to plus or minus root of sec square A minus 1 by ck. Then tan A. Tan A is equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Cot A. Cot A is same as here 1 by root of c square A minus 1. Cosec A means ck by root of c square A minus 1. So all trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec, sin, cos, tan, cosec, cot. Third question, choose the correct option. Justify your choice. First one, 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. We know that sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So when we are moving tan square A to the left side, we will get sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So we can rewrite this as 9 we can take as common. 9 into sec square A minus tan square A. Now we are getting 9 into sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9. We can see option B is correct. B. Option B is correct. Second one, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. First we can convert all these terms to in terms of sin and cos. So this we can write as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus sec means 1 by cos theta. That in the first bracket. Here 1 plus cot means cos theta by sin theta minus cosec means 1 by sin theta, which is equal to, here in the first bracket we can take cos theta as the LCM. So 1 it will come that as cos theta, 1 by 1 multiplying by cos theta up and down, to make the common denominator as cos theta. So cos theta as the common denominator, and the numerator it will come cos theta plus sin theta and plus 1, that in the first bracket. Here same way sin theta as the denominator, common denominator, and 1 it will come sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, the second bracket. Now we can see cos theta plus sin theta as one term. If we are considering this, it will come in the form of a plus b. Here this is a plus b, here a minus b. So we can apply that identity, which means a in place of a, cos theta plus sin theta, a square minus 1. This cos theta plus sin theta as one term, that divided by here cos theta, here sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. This a plus b the whole square form. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, and 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by this, also we can write sin theta cos theta. Here once more we are taking cos theta plus sin theta as a, and the second term b as b1. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that means cos theta plus sin theta the whole square in place of a square, and b square means 1, that is b is in place of b1, b square also is equal to 1. Then when we are opening, that is coming cos square theta plus sin square theta, then it is 2ab, a plus b the whole square for identity we are using here. Now again this cos square theta plus sin square theta, we know that is equal to 1. So we can rewrite this is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta and this minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. This plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. Now we are getting here 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. We can cancel this sin theta cos theta from the numerator and denominator, and here we are getting answer as 2. Now look at the option C. So option C is the correct answer. Third question, ck plus tan a into 1 minus sin a is equal to. So ck plus tan a, we can write in terms of sin and cos. Sec means 1 by cos a is equal to 1 by cos a plus tan a means sin a by cos a. That into 1 minus sin a. Now here we can take cos a as the common denominator, and the numerator it will come 1 plus sin a, and again second bracket 1 minus sin a. Now we know that 1 plus sin a and 1 minus sin a plus b into a minus b. So we can write that is equal to a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square a. 1 square is same as 1 by cos a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a from the first identity. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. From that 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a by cos a. 1 cos we can cancel. So is equal to cos a. Now look at the options. Cos a, D. So we can write D option is correct. Option D is correct. Fourth one, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. By using the identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to c square A. So we can rewrite that as c square A divided by third identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So in place of this we can write cosec square A. Now that is equal to sec means this we can rewrite as ck by cosec A the whole square. Numerator and denominator with the square, so we can put the whole square. Now ck we can write that as 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A, the whole thing divided by cosec means 1 by sin A. So when we are taking the whole square, when we are taking the reciprocal of that, for numerator as 1 by cos A and reciprocal of the denominator, that means sin A by 1, the whole square, which is equal to, we can write here numerator as sin A by cos A, the whole square. Now sin A by cos A means what? Tan A the whole square, which means tan square A. Now look at the options. D is tan square A, that means option D is correct. Question number 4. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. First one, cos theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. For that we can start with LHS. LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta, the whole square. We know that cosec means 1 by sin. 1 by sin theta minus cot means cos theta by sin theta, the whole square. Sin theta we can take as common denominator and numerator as 1 minus cos theta, the whole square. And taking the square, numerator and denominator separately, we can write that as 1 minus cos theta in the numerator, that square divided by sin theta square or sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by sin square theta we can write in terms of cos. From this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which means sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to, this we can write as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The whole square means 2 times we are taking multiplying. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos. Here 1 minus cos square theta, this in the form a square minus b square form. So we can write that as a plus b into a minus b, which means 1 minus cos theta a minus b, then a plus b means 1 plus cos theta. This is the form a square minus b square. So we can cancel 1 minus cos theta from numerator and denominator, and we are getting here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is same as the RHS. So we can write, we started from LHS and reached RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved. To prove. So hence proved. Second one, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2ck. Here also we are starting with LHS. That is equal to, we can take 1 plus sin A and cos A are there in the denominator, common LCM. 1 plus sin A that into cos A as the common denominator. And when we are taking this as the LCM, numerator we have to multiply here with the cos A. So it will come cos square A plus here cos A is there. So we have to multiply with 1 plus sin A. Already 1 plus sin A is there. So it will come when you are multiplying square. So which is equal to cos square A plus this based on A plus B the whole square. So A square, that is 1 plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into sin A, 2 sin A plus sin square A divided by same thing, 1 plus sin A into cos A. That we can rewrite as sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A. So we know that this sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So that same as here 1 and another 1. So we can add that. It will come 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. From the numerator we can take 2 as common. Then 1 plus sin A inside the bracket, that divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now we can see this 1 plus sin A from the numerator and denominator we can cancel. Is equal to 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A, that means 2 into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is ck. So 2 ck. That is the right side answer. So which is equal to RHS. So we can write hence proved. Third one, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Hint, write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So we can start with LHS. LHS is equal to tan theta. We can write in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. The whole thing divided by 1 minus, in place of cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Plus here cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. That divided by 1 minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to here sin theta by cos theta in the numerator into, when we are taking the LCM, this will come sin theta minus cos theta. So we can take the reciprocal. Sin theta, or one more step if we want, we can write that as here the whole thing divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Sin theta is the LCM or denominator here as the LCM. Then that plus second term, same way, cos theta by sin theta, there in the numerator, the whole thing divided by cos theta as the LCM. So it will come cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. This we can rewrite by taking the reciprocal. So which is equal to sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus second term cos theta by sin theta into cos theta on top, cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now from here we can rewrite that as sin square theta in the numerator, and denominator we can see cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta in the first term. And that plus, here it's coming cos square theta, and divide denominator sin theta is there, and this is the form cos theta minus sin theta, but in the first bracket we got sin theta minus cos theta. Actually here it's plus sign, so if you are interchanging the terms, that minus sign it will come in between the terms. So we can write this one as sin theta minus of sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now from both the terms we can take sin theta minus cos theta, that means 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as common. And we are taking sin theta minus cos theta in the denominator, that is common. So numerator sin square theta, here first term sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta, this term as common outside the bracket. Now again 1 by sin theta minus cos theta there in the outside bracket. Here we can take sin theta into cos theta as the denominator, LCM. Sin theta into cos theta as the denominator. Then here the denominator is cos theta only, so we have to multiply with sin theta up and down to make the same denominator. So that will come, already sin square is there, so sin cube theta. Same way here also multiply with cos theta, that will come cos cube theta. This we can rewrite as 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, that into here a cube minus b cube form. Use the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now when we are applying the identity a cube minus b cube, we can rewrite that as a minus b plus into a square plus b square plus ab by the same denominator, in place of a sin theta and b as cos theta. This we can rewrite as the numerator here 1 into the entire thing, that you can write as sin theta minus cos theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in the second bracket that we can rewrite as 1 plus sin theta cos theta. That divided by denominator here sin theta minus cos theta, and here sin theta into cos theta. This is the product. Sin theta into cos theta. Now we can cancel this sin theta minus cos theta from the numerator and denominator. Now remaining 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta, which is equal to, here we are getting 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Numerator 2 terms and common denominator. So we can split this into 2 terms. 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So we know that 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, 1 by cos theta means sec theta. So that we can rewrite as sec theta cosec theta. This will cancel and we will get 1. So that is same as 1 plus sec theta cosec theta there on the RHS. So hence proved. Fourth one, 1 plus ck by ck is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Here simplify LHS and RHS separately. So we can start with LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus ck by ck. This we can write in terms of sec means cos. So 1 by cos in terms of cos. 1 plus in place of ck 1 by cos a. Denominator also Sec means 1 by cos A, which is equal to cos A as the denominator LCM. So that will come cos A plus 1 divided by cos A, and the entire thing divided by 1 by cos A. So here we have to take the reciprocal. Numerator is cos A plus 1 divided by cos A, and the reciprocal of this denominator fraction, that means cos A by 1. So this cos A and cos A will cancel. Here what we are getting, cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. Cos A plus 1. Now the same way RHS also we can check. RHS means sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So sin square A, we know that we can write as by using the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From that, this is 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Now here we are using the identity A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So we can cancel 1 minus cos A from the numerator and denominator. What we are getting, 1 plus cos A. Now we can see LHS answer also 1 plus cos A. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Fifth question, cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Here also we can start with LHS and divide the numerator and denominator each term with sin A. Divide the numerator and denominator both with sin A. When we are dividing each and every term of the numerator and denominator of the LHS, we can write cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A, each and every term, plus 1 by sin A. That's the numerator, divided by again cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A, which is equal to cos A by sin A is cot A minus sin A by sin A 1 plus 1 by sin A is cosec A divided by here cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. The same thing we can rewrite as cot A plus cosec A, and keeping this minus 1 the last, minus 1 divided by denominator same as that, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we are going to change this 1 by using the identity. Here 1, this one, we know that from the identity cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So in place of this one, we can substitute as cosec square A minus cot square A. So we can rewrite that as cot A, rest of the terms all same. Cot A plus cosec A minus, in place of this one. So we are keeping that in the bracket. In place of 1, 1 means cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A divided by denominator same, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. From that, in place of 1, we put it cosec square A minus cot square A. Rest of the terms same as that. But this we can use the identity A square minus B square in that form. So A plus B into A minus B. Sum of the terms into difference of the terms. So So we can rewrite that as a plus b into a minus b form. First one, cosec a plus cot a, that in one bracket, and cosec a minus cot a. This is the whole thing in square bracket. Now we can see this is the first term, that minus second term. In place of 1, we replace that 1 by cosec square a minus cot square a. After that, by using the identity a square minus b square, we split that as the form cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a. Now from both the terms, we can take cot a plus cosec a as common. Cot a plus cosec a as common outside the bracket, and when we are taking this term outside the bracket, there just one only, that minus, from here also cosec a plus cot a already there outside, then remaining cosec a minus cot a. Cosec a minus cot a, that in bracket, divided by the same denominator. Cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Then which is equal to, same thing, cot a, numerator cot a plus cosec a. Then the second bracket, we can open the minus sign, 1 minus, this will come when applying minus sign, minus cosec a. Then minus of minus cot a, that will come as plus cot a, divided by same cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now we can see these two brackets are same. Here 1, here also 1, plus cot a, this also positive cot a, minus cosec a, this one minus cosec a. So we can cancel these two brackets from the numerator and denominator. Then remaining cot a plus cosec a, that is same as the RHS. So we can write is equal to RHS. That means LHS, we started with LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. That is cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Hence proved. Sixth one, root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec plus tan a. Start with LHS. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. We can multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a there in the numerator. Denominator is 1 minus sin a. So numerator and denominator with opposite sign, 1 plus sin a. So when we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a, the same root sign also there, and under the root, here we will get 1 plus sin a the whole square, 2 times, so the whole square, divided by, this is the form a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, that means 1 minus sin square a. Again that is equal to root of 1 plus sin a the whole square divided by, we know that from the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, from that 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Then we can remove the root, here also square sign, this also square term. So we can write that is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a the whole square is 1 plus sin a, divided by square root of cos square a is cos a. Here numerator 2 terms and denominator just 1 term. So we can split that numerator as 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Now 1 by cos a is sec a. Sin a by cos a is tan a. So that is sec plus tan a is equal to the RHS. So we can write LHS. The question is 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a under the root, which is equal to, we got finally that as ck plus tan a. Hence proved. Seventh one, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. For that, first we can start with LHS. From the numerator we can take sin theta as common. From these two terms, sin theta we can take that as common. Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From sin cube, 1 sin theta we are taking out. Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, from here we can take cos theta out. So 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 in place of this sin square theta. By using the identity, we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So for this sin square theta, we are replacing that as 1 minus cos square theta divided by denominator same, cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here we replace this sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta, that in separate bracket. Now we are going to open the bracket. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, then minus 2 into minus cos square, minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta divided by same, cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again, which is equal to sin theta into, here we have 2 cos square theta in the bracket, 2 cos square theta, 1 minus 2, that will come as minus 1 divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we can cancel from the numerator and denominator this term, then remaining sin theta by cos theta, that means tan theta, which is equal to RHS. So we can write sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta, hence proved. Eighth one, sin a plus cos k the whole square plus cos a plus ck the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We are starting with LHS. Sin a plus cos k the whole square, by using the identity a plus b the whole square, we can open that. So we will get that as sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a plus, that's the first bracket. Now plus second bracket, that also by using a plus b the whole square, cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 into cos a sec a. So we open the bracket, both the brackets. Now we can see this sin square a plus cos square a as 1. So we can write that is equal to 1 plus, again 2 sin a cos a, and here 2 cosec a, here cosec a. 2 sin a cosec a, we can write that as 2 sin a cosec means, this cosec means 1 by sin a. So this will cancel. Plus here same way 2 cos a into sec means 1 by cos a. So this also will cancel. Then remaining plus cosec square a. Cosec square a we can replace as 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square A, then remaining sec square A. Sec square A, in place of that we can write 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A, using all these identities. Now what we are getting, 1, here 2, here also 2, plus 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is same as the right side, which is equal to RHS. So we can write hence proved. So by using these two identities, we can replace, first we have to open both the brackets by a plus b the whole square formula, and then this you have to remember cosec sin square theta, sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2ab, 2 into sin A into cosec A. So we can cancel that. Cosec means 1 by sin. So all the numbers what we are getting, total when we are taking 7 we will get, and 7 plus the remaining terms tan square A plus cot square A, that is same as RHS. Ninth one, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Hint, simplify LHS and RHS separately. We will start with LHS. Cosec A, we can write cosec A as 1 by sin A minus sin A, that into sec means 1 by cosec A, 1 by cos A minus cos A, which is equal to, we can take sin A as the denominator. So 1 minus here as 1, so the sin A into sin A, sin square A by sin A, the first bracket. Same way here cos A as the denominator, then 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus sin square A, we know that as cos square A by using the identity, first identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A by sin A into, here 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A. Now 1 sin we can cancel from numerator and denominator, same way 1 cos also we can cancel. Then remaining, that is 1 sin and cos. So we can write that as sin A cos A. Now that is the LHS answer what we got. Then we are writing the same way RHS. RHS is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A, which is equal to 1 by tan, we know that is sin A by cos A, plus cot A means cos A by sin A, which is equal to 1 by, here we can take sin A and cos A as the denominator, sin A into cos A as the denominator, and here when we are taking the LCM as that numerator, here this will come sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1 by sin square A plus cos square A is 1, that divided by sin A cos A. So 1 by sin A cos A, take the reciprocal of this one, that will come as sin A cos A. So LHS and RHS we are getting the same answer. LHS is equal to RHS. So we can write cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A, hence proved. Now 10th question, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. First we are going to prove the first one is equal to tan square A, and then second term is equal to tan square A. So LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. We know that by the identity, by using this identity, 1 plus tan square A means C square A. So we can rewrite that as C square A by same way. 1 plus cot square A, in place of that we can write cosec square A. Now sec means 1 by cos, so 1 by cos square A, sec square, so 1 by cos square A. Same way cosec means 1 by sin, so 1 by sin square A. Take the reciprocal of the denominator, numerator same as 1 by cos square A. When we are taking the reciprocal of the denominator, sin square A by 1, which means sin square A by cos square A, which is equal to sin by cos tan. So sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. That is the RHS, which is equal to RHS. So first part we got this 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. Now second one. 1 minus tan A the whole square divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square, or 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square, which is equal to, we can write as 1 minus tan A means sin A by cos A, divided by 1 minus cot A means cos A by sin A the whole square. Take cos A as the common denominator there in the numerator. So that will come as cos A minus sin A divided by cos A in the numerator. Same way sin A as the LCM in the denominator. So we will get that as sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. The whole thing square, which is equal to, we can take the reciprocal of the denominator. Numerator is cos A minus sin A by cos A the whole square into, and we are taking the reciprocal, sin A by sin A minus cos A the whole square, which is equal to sin cos A minus sin A, we can write as sin A minus cos A the whole square when it comes. So sin A minus cos A by cos A So cos A minus sin A, we can write as sin A minus cos A the whole square by cos square A into sin square A by sin A minus cos square A. So sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A the whole square we can cancel. Then we are getting sin square A by cos square A, which is equal to tan square. Sin A by cos A tan A, so tan square A, that is same as the RHS, which is equal to RHS. So hence proved. So first we proved first part of that is equal to tan square A, then second part of that expression is equal to tan square A.